we need a mixing glass, and first ingredient is limoncello. I used the Villa Massa, but it doesn't matter, you can use any brand. And we will need 1 ounce and a quarter. Next, we'll need 3/4 of an ounce of Amaretto liqueur, but you also can try and experiment with Frangelico. So let me know which one do you prefer. I'm using this clear cube of ice, but of course if you mix it at home, you guys probably gonna use just the regular ice. And stir it for like maybe 10-15 seconds max. And now just strain it over a fresh cube of ice, and it would be nice to have a chilled glass, but if you don't have one, it's not a big deal. You can use any heavy cream or milk on top, but I mixed earlier oat milk with vanilla syrup and made kind of foam, so I prefer to put it on top of the cocktail like that. And as a garnish, I used the nutmeg, but if you don't have one, maybe you can just use a lemon, or if you, like me, have laying dehydrated lemons around, use them.